Hi guys! Welcome to the Lawrence Tamais vlog. Welcome to my channel, today's vlogs. Watch this! Ang special edition natin ng Mother's Day. Ayan ang ating vlog today. So, enjoy watching! Natin itutuloy ang ating Mother's Day special sa St. George's. Beautiful day, beautiful town, and yeah, I love here guys. So maraming mga boat, rubber boat, beautiful here. Love here guys. Guys, who
well, no, we've been working on my Mother's Day, so we're going to go.
My Mother's Day special.
Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day!
Is going to be really complete with Josie in the vlog.
excited.
Hello, ate. Happy Mother's Day. Ang ganda-ganda mo naman. For you. Wow. Happy Mother's Day. You're always sweet. Thank you.
So I can go there one day.
You should. It's very nice.
I will try. This is Alex, by the way.
Hi, Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Sorry kami Mother's Day again, guys. Happy Mother's Day.
Si Tintin. Nandito?
Oo. Hindi ko alam kung darating siya.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Sorry wala ako dito. Ang gift mo, di ba? Ebidensya, ticket. Ano ang gift niya? Wow. Thank you.
To start nachos.
Thank you.
Calamari. Yeah. Yes. Can we start honey with
welcome to my vlog.
Hi, vlog. Welcome sa vlog niya.
Si Nene ba?
Si Nene.
Nene. Ang Nene ng Jacinto.
Nene Inosente.
Inosente. Wala sa Desmi. Tagal ka na dito na. Happy Mother's Day!
Hold on, wait for the morning till the sun comes over the
Nagpapakulang ko sa vlog ko. Tapos meron pang rubrics.
make your call.
Guys, tapos na ang ating Mother's Day brunch with Desmi and Lay. And nandito na tayo ni Desmi sa paroroonan natin. So, it's nice, no? Masaya yung ating brunch. And nag-enjoy tayo ng super today. Nag-start ng 10 o'clock, natapos ng 1:30. So, talagang chika to the max. At talagang sobra. Meron pang ano, ang dami namin kinain, hindi lang basta breakfast yun, talagang brunch talaga to the highest level. Ay.
At least masarap.
Yeah, masarap and enjoy. Thank you sa
Thank you, Ate Lang.
palibre. Nag-enjoy kami. So, ayan guys. Andito tayo sa magandang sports car ni Desmi. super nice. At mag-drive na ang ating bestie sa kanyang... Anong pangalan ng kotse mo? Ang ganda. Pujo. Wow. Okay guys. So, dito natin end ang ating vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye! Happy Mother's Day sa mami ko, sa mga kapatid ko, at sa lahat ng mami dyan. Bye guys!